Welcome back to MVP Auto. Prepare to be amazed by a car that redefines what it means to combine elegance, performance, and innovation. Introducing the 2025 Mazda 3, a masterpiece designed to exceed expectations. Whether you seek cutting-edge style, thrilling performance, or remarkable value, this car offers an exceptional blend of all three. From its striking exterior to the exhilarating experience behind the wheel, the 2025 Mazda 3 is crafted to elevate every drive. Available as a sleek sedan or a sporty hatchback, this car caters to every lifestyle, delivering a perfect balance of practicality and sophistication. One of the standout features of the 2025 Mazda 3 is its exceptional pricing, making luxury and performance more accessible than ever. The base sedan starts at $25,135, slightly lower than last year's price. The hatchback introduces a new 2.5S trim, priced at $26,135, marking a significant price reduction of $740. This strategic pricing ensures the 2025 Mazda 3 provides outstanding value without compromising on style, quality, or advanced technology. Mazda has focused on enhancing comfort and innovation in this model. Starting from the Select Sport trim, drivers can enjoy Amazon Alexa integration, allowing effortless voice control over in-car settings and even compatible smart home devices. The Mazda online navigation system has also been upgraded to feature over-the-air updates, ensuring your maps and navigation tools remain current, making every journey seamless. For those seeking a touch of luxury, the higher trims of the 2025 Mazda 3 deliver exceptional refinement. The preferred trim, priced at $27,525, offers enhanced comfort and elegance. At the pinnacle of the lineup, the Turbo Premium Plus models are designed to impress. These trims combine premium interiors with exhilarating performance, priced at $36,985 for the sedan and $38,135 for the hatchback. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda 3 delivers two powerful engine options to suit diverse driving preferences. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter, naturally aspirated four-cylinder that produces 191 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This combination offers a smooth and fuel-efficient experience, ideal for everyday driving and long trips. For enthusiasts, the hatchback premium trim comes with an exciting 6-speed manual transmission for a more engaging drive. For those who crave even more power, the turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine is the perfect choice. It generates an impressive 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque, paired with standard all-wheel drive for unparalleled performance and confidence in all conditions. The Carbon Edition trim further enhances the driving experience by combining all-wheel drive with a sporty yet practical design. The 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback models will arrive in the summer, followed by the sedan models in the fall. Both versions promise to redefine what it means to drive, blending innovation, style, and thrilling performance. Discover the 2025 Mazda 3 at your nearest Mazda dealership and prepare to turn every journey into an unforgettable experience.